Welcome to my channel, Tippa Nakshatriya Herbal Remedies. Today, I am going to tell you regarding numbness. Numbness means jumu, kaalu jumu hittade, kai, numbness in the body. There are two types of numbness, and these numbness are, one is temporary and second is secondary. Second is totally different, and this temporary what is very easy, what you can do in herbal remedies, in a traditional way, in a folk medicine system. They do ear twisting. You are knowing your ear is there. In our school days, if any mischief done by us, our teachers used to twist our ears. There is a lot of scientific background. Ear, mind, memory. There is a lot of connection in this sense from the olden days. What is that? See, I'll tell you in a very easy thing. As we are in the mother's womb, it will be like a ear. You can see how the ear is there. In the same position will be in the mother's womb. In the same way, it is treated. Actually, in the recent studies, they say by doing this ear knob, pressing this ear knobs and points, neurons are activated, and it increases memory, and it acts as a stress reliever, stress free. So it is already researched now, but in our Indian system of medicines, from great olden days, this practice is done. Is it a miracle thing? Homely care, what we can do. So God has given us a very natural thing. It is a very stress-free hormone released here, including it improves our immunity. In our Indian system, actually in our Hinduism, especially in women, they use a lot of earrings here, this part, and they put knob rings here, and certain kind of rings after marriage to a woman. There is a lot of sensitivity why they use this kind of rings. Now I am going to tell you regarding the this ear twisting, how it helps. There is a chart what we follow. This is the chart we call as ear reflexology chart. This is the ear. I told you this ear is just like a baby in mother's womb. See this. Okay. By twisting this, some points here, the recent studies tells there is a hormone, what we call as endorphin hormone, is released, produced natural. It is a stress-free hormone, and it is used for immunity also. And in secondary ones, what we call as secondary numbness, there are a lot of symptoms like sometimes facial diabetic, muscle weakness, and sudden loss of sensation, and jerking and twisting movements, especially in diabetic neuropathy. Usually there are pressures on the nerves, just like L5, S1 nerves, especially in the disc lower part. By this thing, they may get a kind of this pains and all this numbness and all. So by this, there is a lot of advantage what we can use. See here, especially in Indian system, a woman wears earring here. Here the earrings are wear. By this, what happens actually? Her eyes, her mouth, okay, her tongue, her knowledge will be controlled. The family will be nice. If the mouth is good, the sensitivity will be good. The atmosphere will be good. Here they put another point at the lower arm here, what we call the lower arm by doing cooking and all, she should not exhaust, nor she should not get any kind of cervical problem and all. Here one point is there, and there are many other tips. For this one they use here. She should not get any kind of sciatic disorder. These are all the things what we use. These are the pressure points where if you press, you get an relaxation. It's a really a very good chart. You can copy this and you can use it. In Indian system of medicines, they not only use gold rings and all. Sometimes in some diseases like adenoma and all, they use a copper ring here. They call it as maru in Kannada. This part, it represents the abdominal part, especially in adenoma, carcinoma and all, in first stages and all. They use, there is a system in Indian medicine what they put an copper ring here. There is a practice before long time back. Even today they practice in some villages. Is it a wonderful medicine, my friends? Just what you have to do, just you have to take this and just twist your ears simply like this. Enough. It is enough for this. Your numbness will come down. If you are having a problem in your shoulders and all, here this point, just you press it like this. See, it will be a relaxed. See how it gives a simple remedies. There is a lot of making change in your life. Here, these are all the things. It should be soft. So friends, this is our Ayurveda. Please see this, ask your doctor and practice this. Please subscribe my channel, share my channel. Thank you.